said, when the overflowing scourge shall pass through, it should not come to us. For we've made lies our refuge, and under falsehoods have we hid. You got that? Yeah. Do you know what he's saying here? That death and hell is a lie.
Yeah, that's what he's saying.
We've hid ourselves and we've accepted it. What if we start speaking to our bodies here? I shall live and not die. I will declare the works of the Lord. What if we just start speaking that over ourselves? He came that we have life and that more abundantly. Maybe we can start telling ourselves, yeah, I got this pain in my toe, but you know what? I break that covenant. I break that agreement. I'm gonna put this together. I think I'm on to something.
Yeah.
Because you know what? Doctors is connected to that. Doctors are connected to that covenant of death and hell. They can help us, but their prognosis, they're connected to it.
Yeah.
They can tell you how long you're going to have it. We'll believe it. Okay. All right. We'll stop right there. I can't go over the Ephesians after that. Now you have to touch that. I done touched something. I don't know, I'm going to pray, God, let your overflowing scourge. Let and God in this, that I don't have to waste this one, but I can maximize this life. That anything outside of the covenant of the law of the spiritual life in Christ Jesus, because that's the law we're under. The old man is under the law of sin and death. We as a people have an agreement, because we take hold of this covenant, think of in our mind, I want the law of the spiritual life in Christ Jesus. Now, death doesn't necessarily mean that you have to give up breathing. You can have a covenant of death and hell because you refuse to go on in the things of God. There's a law of sin and death. Once you partake of sin, then death is a mate. You can't separate the two.
That's right.
So I tell folks, you got to stay out of sin because right behind it is death. That's the other side of the coin. Sin, death, they look alike. That's why you have to stay within the boundaries of the word. That's why you don't go looking for somebody that's unsaved. Because they're under the law of sin and death. Oh boy. They're under another law. Boy, mess them up. See, that's why they get the person all the clapping, but that's why you can't be other people to yo. That's why you got to make sure they're good and saved. Because there's another law at work. And you got to embrace when overflowing scourge comes, you no longer have falsehood. And you no longer have a refuge for your lies. Father, we bless you. We thank you.